Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to properly clean the undercarriage of your vehicle. Keeping the undercarriage of your car clean is important for a variety of reasons. Not only does it help to prevent rust and corrosion, but it also helps to improve the overall appearance of your vehicle. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to effectively clean the undercarriage of your car and get it looking like new again. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before you get started, you'll need to gather a few materials. You'll need a hose, a bucket, a scrub brush, and a cleaner specifically designed for undercarriage cleaning. Make sure you have everything you need within easy reach so you don't have to keep going back and forth for supplies. Step 2. Lift the vehicle. Before you start cleaning the undercarriage, you'll need to lift the vehicle off the ground. This can be done using a hydraulic jack, a car lift, or even ramps if you have them. Lifting the vehicle will give you better access to the undercarriage and make it easier to clean. Step 3. Spray down the undercarriage. Next, take your hose and spray down the undercarriage of the vehicle. This will help to loosen any dirt or grime that may be stuck to the surface. Make sure to get every nook and cranny, as you want to get as much dirt and debris off as possible. Step 4. Apply the cleaner. Once you've sprayed down the undercarriage, it's time to apply the cleaner. Follow the instructions on the cleaner's label, as different products may have different application methods. Be sure to get the cleaner into all the crevices and corners of the undercarriage. Let the cleaner sit for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate and loosen any remaining dirt or grime. Step 5. Scrub the undercarriage. After the cleaner has had a chance to work, it's time to scrub the undercarriage. Use your scrub brush to scrub the undercarriage in a circular motion, paying extra attention to any areas that are particularly dirty or greasy. Make sure to get into all the corners and crevices to ensure a thorough cleaning. Step 6. Rinse the undercarriage. Once you've scrubbed the undercarriage, it's time to rinse it off. Use your hose to rinse off the cleaner and any remaining dirt or debris. Make sure to get all the nooks and crannies to ensure that the undercarriage is completely clean. Step 7. Dry the undercarriage. After you've rinsed the undercarriage, it's important to dry it off to prevent rust and corrosion. You can use a towel or a dry cloth to wipe down the undercarriage, or you can use a leaf blower to blow any remaining water off. Conclusion. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily and effectively clean the undercarriage of your vehicle. Remember to be thorough and get into all the crevices and corners, and to dry the undercarriage thoroughly to prevent rust and corrosion. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.